To set the ASPEN's boom into action, the operator follows a precise sequence. Initially, the work mode must be engaged, accompanied by activating the deadman switch and adjusting the RPMs to a maximum of 1800. Once these prerequisites are met, manipulating the joystick by pushing it forward and pulling it back initiates the movement of the first arm. Shifting the joystick to the right extends the work area, while moving it to the left retracts the work area. On the bottom side of the joystick, two blue buttons efficiently extend and retract the boom. The left side roller switch controls the head contour, while the right side roller switch operates the arm swing. The two yellow buttons on the joystick facilitate the rotation of the head. For activating the head float, there's a red button on the side of the joystick, and additionally, a yellow button on the joystick base serves the same purpose. Activating the first arm suspension involves a straightforward process. With the deadman switch engaged, pressing and holding the first arm suspension button for approximately 2 seconds triggers the activation, indicated by the illumination of a yellow light. Turning on the head rotation requires pressing and holding the activation button until the indicator light illuminates. To alter the rotation direction, press the activation button in the opposite direction until the indicator light changes accordingly. Stopping the head rotation is achieved by pressing the activation button in the direction the head is currently running. This systematic approach ensures precise control and smooth operation of the ASPEN's advanced features.